అంతలోని తెల్లవారే అయ్యో ఏమి చేతోనే అంతలోని తెల్లవారే అయ్యో ఏమి చే
Ayyo, Swarna Malia, you have been singing for an hour or so. When are you going to do the show?
Such beautiful compositions, Jittu. I don't know what to pick, what to leave. But I guess we have to do the show now, yeah?
Yeah, we have to do it.
Talam Talkies series produced by Dr. Anita Ratnam for Nartaki Online YouTube channel, right?
Right. And have you thought of a title for the series?
Actually, I have. But you know what? You have to travel with me on my time machine to know the title. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go then. No, actually, wait. If you like this video, share and subscribe to Nartaki Online YouTube channel, right?
Right.
Now let's go.
This series is titled Welcome, O Vannegada. Vannegada is a lovely Telugu poetic term often found in Padams and Javalis as an addressing to the hero or the patron, calling him, "Hey sweet rascal, Vannegada, welcome." So here we are going to look at Padams and Javalis in silver screen. Welcome, O Vannegada. Welcome, O Vannegada. Padams are traditionally associated with dancing women, the Devadasis. Padams are beautiful, erotic poetry that are composed in Tamil and Telugu language often. Javalis too are like the Padams, of course slightly more fast-paced, also thematically a little more fun and colloquial, as well as colloquial in the language formation. Where were Padams and Javalis performed? Some would like to believe that these were compositions especially created to be performed in private salon settings. But that's not entirely true. Padams and Javalis, you'd be surprised to know, were actually part of Veedi Sadir, which means in the temple procession, when the entire community would walk along with the procession, women would come out and perform in groups, Sadir, but particularly Padams and Javalis, under the Petromax light. So invariably performed in small groups, the Javalis and Padams were not merely salon, but street and then later stage, all the way to cinema. In the late 19th and early 20th century, a lot of Devadasis, Nattuvanars and composers started migrating to the city looking for greener pastures. The city of Madras was the hub of the entire of Madras Presidency. It was here that the first Telugu film studio was set up. It was at Vale Pictures that several of early Telugu cinema was shot. After all, until the States Reorganization Act was formed, all of Telangana and all of the northern districts of Madras, which is Andhra, were all part of the Madras Presidency. Again, in the late 1930s and early 1940s, we saw a surge in the shift from stage and theatre alone all the way to silver screen. Many of these artists were already performing on stage, so for them silver screen was a mere migration of a different medium. Padams and Javalis were extensively written for cinema, but they were also adapting several of these compositions from theatre and stage. In this adaptation, they took much liberties. They would use a popular opening line of a Javali or a Padam, but improvise the next charanams. They would change the ragams and make it more popular in the tune and at the pace. So much of this was because Madras was a hub of cosmopolitanism. Here in Madras was a confluence of Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Parsi, Malayalam, English, Dutch and French speaking audience. So for them, both Tamil and Parsi theatre as well as Telugu cinema and Tamil cinema were all consuming popular, wonderfully multicultural and cosmopolitan ethos.
మనసు నీకై అలసి సోలసి పోయేనురా వలచి వలచి మనసు సుందరాన తరాదువని బిందు కళాదారుడవని సుందరాన తరాదువని ఎందరినో మున్నిలిన గంటకురం మంటినిరా ఆది దీపువని వింటినిరా నిన్ను చేర గంటినిరా గంటకురం మంటినిరా.
Abhinaya is not merely facial expressions. All my gurus have always told me that Nritta is an integral part of Abhinaya. So in this series, every clipping that you would see that there are beautiful korvais, jatis, both as prelude or the beginning of the composition, as well as interludes in the BGM sections, in the charana passages as swarams and jatis and korvais. The next clipping that you're going to see is from the film Yogi Vemanna. Now the composition itself by Samudrala Raghavacharulu. But I think the jatis in between must have been inserted either by Chittur Nagaya Garu or by M.V. Rajamma, who has performed and sung the composition. Beautiful Shabda Sholukattu, Tattaiya Teyyum Tattatam, Gitatagatataiya Teyyum Tattatam, the ones that all of us are very familiar with, has been wonderfully interspersed musically as a prelude to the composition itself.
లేవరా పోరసామి తడవాయనిక లేవరా పోరసామి మరులు నివిక మనరా గడచేరే పొడితే వేళ ఏరా గడచేరే పొడితే వేళ ఏరా తడవాయనిక లేవరా కళలూర మనసారా కలసి మెలసిరతుల కళలూర మనసారా కలసి మెలసిరతుల సలిపితిమి రేయల్లా సాలు కొమ్మంటే రతుల సలిపితిమి రేయల్లా సాలు కొమ్మంటే ఏలరా కెందో బివలి విడవేలరా విధి కౌగిలిన్ నీ వేలారా పెనులో బివలి విడవేలారా విధి కౌగిలిన్ వినవేలరా ఈ మోగనిక చాలని నాపై కోపమేలరా తడవాయిని लेवरा ताता झणुता धिमी धिमी तो धीम धिमी ता धीम ता धित्तां गिडदगा गिडदगा तां 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 दरिगिडनो ఎంత కాలము మనినా ఇక ఇంతే సౌఖ్యము గాని అంతున్నదా సుంత భ్రాంతికేమైనా ఇంతకేయనలేని కామము పెంతురా మత్సరములెందుర ఇంతకేయనలేని కామము పెంతురా మత్సరములెందుర చింత చేయర తామసించిన ఇంత బ్రతుకు ఇంతింతాలవురా తడవాయనిక లేవరా ఓ పోరసామి మరులు నివిక మానరా.
Abhinaya for modern stage has been transformed into a solo act almost, where there is very little or no movement of the body at all. Often you would see that the dancer is placed under a spotlight and a lot of attention is presumed to be only on the face. But Javalis and Padams were performed in mostly groups. So you would see 2, 3, 5, 7, 10 dancers really bunching together to perform these beautiful compositions. This culture of dancing in groups, the Javalis and Padams, has been transported from the street, the temple procession, the stage, all the way to the silver screen. You will see that a small bunch of women stand behind the main dancer as chorus dancers, singing along and also dancing along in many of these Javalis and Padams. The Javali often has a beautiful ending. Just like we saw preludes in many of these Javalis, we have an ending called Gaptu Varasa. Now this Gaptu Varasa is a Telugu word, often used in Telugu Javalis, but similar rhythmic sections are also incorporated in Tamil compositions, Tamil padams, etc. here. The Gaptu Varasa really is the dancer starting a rhythmic section, extempore often, jum 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 ta jum ta, ta jum ta jum ta jum ta, jum 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 ta jum ta, ta jum ta, ta jum ta jum ta, ta jum ta jum ta jum ta, something like that, where the musician or the percussionist will respond and they will have a beautiful sort of extempore jugalbandi there. This will often spiral into higher kala pramana and speed. The composition that we're going to see now is of Dharmapuri Subbarayars. This has been recorded by Shanmuga Mudaliar in an 1859 text. So this composition in Behag Ragam from the film Muddu Bidda is Antaloni Tellavari, a beautiful Javali of Dharmapuri Subbarayar, performed by a main dancer but with a group of chorus dancers, all of whom perform the Javali in this sort of extempore, beautiful manner with the Gaptu Varasa.
అంతలోనే తెల్లవారే అయ్యో ఏమి చేతునే అంతలోనే తెల్లవారే అయ్యో ఏమి చేతునే కాంతుని మనసెంత నొచ్చెనో ఇంటి ఎటు సైతునే అంతలోనే తెల్లవారే అయ్యో ఏమి చేతునే కాంతుని మనసెంత నొచ్చెనో ఇంటి ఎటు సైతునే అంతలోనే తెల్లవారే
తకిత ధనంతరిత సదకి ధనంతరితే తాకతనం తదకితనం ధనం కిణం కదకదకదోం కదకదకదోం కదకదకదోం
చెక్కిలిపై కొనగోటితో ఒక్కసారి కొసరలేదు చెక్కిలిపై కొనగోటితో ఒక్కసారి కొసరలేదు మక్కువతో గోపాలుడు సుంత పరిహాసమాడు నంతలోనే తెల్లవారే అయ్యో ఏమి చేతునే కాంతుని మనసెంత నొచ్చెనో ఇంటి ఎటు సైతునే అంతలోనే తెల్లవారే అంతలోనే తెల్లవారే అయ్యో ఏమి చేతునే
The Alaru or Alarippu too has been adapted as a prelude to Abhinaya. Nee Maatile Mayara, a beautiful, very popular Javali, has been adapted in the following clip as a beautiful rendition done with Madhyamakala Sahityam and Sharanams. It's inimitably in this lovely stage to silver screen style. What we must notice in this clipping is not just the wonderful dance and music, but also how the entire community, the entire village or the entire community around this performance gather to patronize. You will see that a Bhagavatar gets up and claims to be the guru of the dancer at the end of the dance. And then the Maniyakar gets up and offers a beautiful golden kankana as a gift. And the Vedic Brahmin is then called upon to sanctify this gift as God's given gift. So he sings the Vedic hymns, and then all of them together patronize this Devadasi who's performing. So one can see that the ethos of that era of temple and patronage and community, particularly of upper caste men of different communities who gathered to patronize the arts and the Devadasi, is somewhat very reflective in this wonderful clipping.
గిరిపాదం పైన ఎంతో వరస చేరి మురిపించి రఘువలేలించి మేలు మరిపించే మధుమలపు వాస చేసి శ్రీరగణమునా కమునా
తన నృత్యగానాలతో మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ ఇంతవరకు సంతోషపెట్టిన ఈ చపల నా శిష్యురాలు కావడం నాకెంతో గౌరవం. మహారాజులు శరభోజీ గారు తమ సంస్థానంలో ఈమెను నర్తకినిగా నియమించడం మన ఊరికే గౌరవం. ఈ సందర్భంలో మన ధనపాల శెట్టి గారు ఈ సువర్ణ కంకణం బహూకరిస్తున్నారంటే అది వారి కళాభిమానానికే నిదర్శనం.
ఆగండి మాట్లాడండి భాగవతారు గారు. ఆశీర్వాదం చేసి ఈ కంకణం మీ చేతి మీదుగా పెంచండి చెప్పేసి గారు.
ఓం తేజస్వీ యశస్వీ బ్రహ్మవర్చసే శ్యామితి ప్రాంగాహోతుర్ధృష్ట్యాదుత్సర్పేత్ ఏయం ప్రాగాద్యశస్వతి सा भाप्रोन्नोतु तेजसा यशसा ब्रह्मवर्चसेनेति तेजस्वेव यशस्वी ब्रह्मवर्चसी भवति.
మరులుదిపై గుంటిరా ఓ వన్నే గాడా మరులునిపై గుంటిరా ఓ వన్నే